The new iPhone 12 pushes everything forward with super fast 5G, an A14 Bionic chip, an advanced dual camera system, and a beautiful Super Retina XDR display so you can see everything in vivid detail. The iPhone 12 has a 6.1 Super Retina XDR display that has a durable design and a ceramic shield. The iPhone 12 also uses 5G networking for super fast downloads and high quality streaming. The iPhone 12 camera system has a 12 megapixel camera that ranges between wide and ultra wide settings. You can put your camera in night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording with no problem. It has a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. The iPhone 12 has a leading IP68 water resistant. It supports MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging. iOS 15 packs new features to do more with iPhone than ever before. With an unlocked iPhone, you're free to go with the carrier of your choice. Get it now for only $748. For more information, go to www.jinnystore.com.